Polarization is really, really important. And so I'm trying to...
Big one.
Yeah. Not the entire apparatus, but yeah, so there'd be a motor here and a motor here.
Ah, okay.
This picture actually does not have this set up yet. Yeah, minimize by crawling on the roof.
But this is on 2 meters, 70 centimeters.
70
centimeters.
Yeah.
That's interesting. So how long are your 215 mm Yagis?
Okay, then yeah, they're taken to the and you adjust.
Right.
So I've seen on that sheet from Hull, you can enter the speeds and then they give you the...
There is a sheet of code. You put the data that you get from the GPL origins website.
Of course, yeah. Okay.
We have an offset dish too. If you don't remember that, I'm using a piece of copper of 54 to 54 and a reduction to 54 to 26 and a small piece of 26.
And then a sectum feed or just with what design did you use for the feed?
Well, this is the G3FI for.
It makes sense. Everybody will hear you all the time. And at that time, 2 stations. And you can go to the contest whenever you want. Our signal was always there. The others, they had the...
I remember. I think you buying circular. I need a circular diameter.
Round wave.
Round wave guide to the square wave.
OM6 You know W6KBL?
Yes.
Yeah. He calculated some of these feed horns too, but I'm not sure that it's right. So one of our colleagues.
I was expecting to do something like I have here.
Yeah.
For a 0.4 and then to make the extension system like this for a W2 IMU. But in the end, I decided the angle which I can calculate from the whole length of the feed will be better to make in one step. I will check this. If I have reached the parameters, the expected parameters.
Okay, bedankt.
Sur un vachement plus de gain.